This video tutorial I will explain how to fetch last n documents from a collection. Here you can see the example of how to fetch last two documents from employee collection. For that what I am doing is I am sorting the employee documents in employee collection in descending order. Then limit the documents as 2. So I will get last two documents. Here you can see employee DB and it has employee collection and it has 3 documents. We will see how to get last 2 documents. Here is the query which I have just explained, executing this query, and here you can see we got last 2 documents, and if you want last one document, limit as 1, and we got last one document. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.